Who will know I filed? Many people we talk to are worried that someone will find out that they filed a bankruptcy. The fact is that unless you're rich and famous, the only people that will likely know that you filed for bankruptcy will be your creditors and the people that you choose to tell yourself. Although the bankruptcy record itself is a matter of public record, it's not an easy to access public record. You can't simply go online and Google up somebody's bankruptcy information. Most people would actually have to visit the bankruptcy court and look at the court clerk's computer to find out who filed for bankruptcy. No newspapers locally publish information about normal consumers who file for bankruptcy. But bankruptcy is nothing to be ashamed of. The fact of the matter is that you probably know people who have filed for bankruptcy. Most of the people that I've talked to tell me they think no less of someone who's filed for bankruptcy simply for that reason. And in fact, they would even encourage others to file bankruptcy if that's what's right for them. In Chapter 7 cases, your employer is not notified that you filed bankruptcy unless your employer happens to be a creditor, which is normally not the case. And in Chapter 13 cases, although usually we make plan payments through payroll deduction, this is not always the case. Sometimes there's a good reason not to have a Chapter 13 plan payment taken directly from your paycheck. And so the trustee will sometimes allow plan payments to be made by bank account withdrawal, or sometimes you simply send your payment in directly to the trustee. The fact that you've filed a bankruptcy is not something that's likely to be widely known in the community. Most of us are plain not newsworthy, thank goodness. We've had people who live next door to each other file bankruptcy at about the same time and never knew the other one filed. So if you choose to keep this information to yourself, it's unlikely that anyone will find out. But if they do, filing bankruptcy is nothing to be ashamed of. In fact, if you're doing the right thing for yourself and your family, you should actually be proud of yourself. You're doing something that's difficult but necessary for your financial well-being.